Okay, hello guys. It's been a while ever since I posted on my YouTube channel. Okay, buddy. Bro, this cat is coming in my place. Yo. I put you over there. Okay. What do you want? Okay. Yo. What do you want? Yo. What do you want? I'll put you over here. Okay. So, here's my collection of my mechanical pencils. If I'm looking the wrong way, it's because, like, oh my god, what are you doing, bruh? Stop me. Because what do you want? The camera is sideways. But anyways. Bro, she's on my leg. I don't know what she wants, but yo, you're gonna get your milk later, okay? I'm doing something. Right now, gotta relax. It's only the morning. My bad, homie. As you can see, she's right there. She's right there. She's right there. Then she decides. What do you want? Look at this magnificent creature. And she just went away from the camera. Look at her. Like, look at this magnificent creature. Like, dude. Okay, go away now. Go away. Go away. Okay, anyway. Yo, this cat pooped and peed on my bed. Like, she pooped over here, right? I cleaned it up. She peed over here. I cleaned it up. What are you doing? Yo! What's she doing? Okay, let's just get started. So, here's the backstory. Why did I collect mechanical pencils and why did I buy them? Well, because they look cool and they look cool and tough. So let's start. I don't know what to start with. Oh yeah, let's start with the story then. I wanted the mechanical pencils. It was like this. It was like, I don't know. It was, I forgot the brand. The mechanical pencils. It was like really. It was kind of cheap. I gave them to my friends. Can you just stop? Stop, bruh. Stop. No. Okay. Going over. Okay. Because, yeah, frick. Then they're like they have these like freaking like this grip, but it was like okay. Yo, why is she coming through my arm? Yo, she's coming. Yo. Okay, we're just wasting our time. Just go over there. Okay, so yeah. And like I evolved. Okay. I like got new mechanical pencils each time. So yeah. Let's start with the lead. I know, crazy. Here's all 7mm, bro. Here's all 7mm. And here's the smaller version for like I can just put in the big lead. You're just walking in front of my camera. Then I have super 0.5mm HP 12 pieces. I put more into this from my other. So here's it. Can my camera adjust? It can not adjust. Okay, now we're on to erasers. Here is the eraser. High polymer eraser pencil. Brand new. Did you just took a dump on me? Yo, my camera just glitched. What are you doing? Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat you. And then here's the other erasers for I can put in the other mechanical pencil. Here's my old eraser. I took bite marks into this one. Oh, okay. Now we're on to mechanical pencil. This eye is like, I don't know why, but it feels. But anyways, let's start with the big one with the freaking kid. Wait, let me just get all of them. What's all of them? Okay, here's all big, bruh. Here we got they're all empty, one except for one. Here's this one. Here is this one. I found this one on the top of my classroom's cart. What? It's just we put our computers in like this charging station. It's like a cart, and I found this on top of it, so I decided to take it. And then here is the blue one that I got from a freaking. I'm not gonna say her name, but yeah. She had a lot of these. Yo, I just asked one. I thought she wasn't gonna give me one, but she did. Okay, here's the one that holds my long lead, the long lead instead of instead of the short lead. But this is all 7mm. Then here's the one that my best friend. Yo, he lives in Texas now, sadly, but he broke this off, bro. It's still big. And then here's the other one. Sound of clicking. Yo, why is my eye looking up there? Did you just take a... Okay, and then we have pen gear. We have this one. Pen gear. Why is it not adjusting though? Like, yo, that's too bright. That's too dark. Okay, let's just do it like that. Pen gear, right? And then here is the other one. I think this is pen gear. Really, this is my main mechanical pencil that I use. We have 2 new ones. That's why I got. Wait a minute. Like, this is the longest lead I have. Dang. If you come over here and mess me up. Yo, bruh. What do you want? Ow, okay. Ow. Yo, my cat wants everything. No. Okay. You're going over there. You were just having... Why are you crying? Okay, I sound like that one. Okay. Yo, okay. I'm a motherfucker gentleman. Wait a minute. Yo, okay. You're just messing up. You're messing up my program. You're messing it up, buddy. Oh, wait, frick. Okay, yeah, that doesn't fit. All of them just came out. That sounded weird, but sure. Wait a minute. Okay. So yeah. I don't know how this came out. If it didn't come. Oh my god. What does she want? You're not finding, you're not pooping over here, bro. I already cleaned your, okay. So yeah, I know that took a long time. Oh my god. She's back here again. And then here's all the, okay, you know what? You get a kiss. Wait, let me just put you. Okay. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Then here is the new mechanical pencils I got. They're 5 millimeters. This is the Graph Gear 300 Japan P pencil. Okay, here's what I'm gonna use. I've been using this one for like the last day. I drew a freaking my guy. It was really ugly. So I'm gonna use this for drawing, and this pencil is this pencil is more heavier than this one. So here's the stuff that came with it in the package. What do you want? Did you just? Nah, bro. You know what? Okay. Yeah, that was all my mechanical pencils. I have a mechanical pencil that doesn't even work. I don't want to bring it out. But anyways, that was all of it. I hope I'm getting the camera right. I hope you saw that. So anyways, see you later. What the heck? See you later, guys. I love you.